Okay. Here we go. Our two-person group play by Mark and Kelvin, and each of them pick up 15 teams. Then they're gonna break one box of chronology. Okay, they're gonna pick out.
好像玩牌九。
Okay. Mark's gonna open the pack.
I open?
Yeah, you open it. Let's see them. Exciting.
可是你们可是应该抽了先。
不用，I know.
那边都已经
好了吗？
哦，是哦。
So one of them may get everything, and then the other one got nothing.
140 was nothing.
140 hit or miss.
Hit or miss. It's a big gamble.
Right, are we ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready. Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go.
Are you lucky?
Take your time. Get this one. Here we go. Here we go.
Right.
Here we go, Jordan.
Nice.
No, come on.
Thank you.
Come on, Jordan. How many sick cards there?
Two.
Okay. You really want to see redemption?
So no one knows who's gonna get what.
Yeah, no one knows.
And last one.
No one knows gonna get what.
Yeah, and Michael Jordan always redemption.
Roger Bell. Is it?
Roger Bell.
Oh,
Is it?
Dino Raja, yeah.
Redemption,
Okay.
redemption. Oh no, shit.
Oh, who's
What the fuck?
this? Marco Bellanini.
Yeah.
Michael
What's the
Blandani.
number?
Number 210. This is the black version. Number 210.
Alright,
And we have
next
a
one.
They have redemption.
Come on.
Rookie redemption.
What the fuck?
Number 32.
Okay, I tried. What? Oh, Phil Jackson.
No,
that?
no.
Boost.
It looked like Phil Jackson.
No.
Hurry up, we don't run out of time.
Bullshit.
Jabbar.
Who's got Lakers?
So two.
Do you autograph?
Who's that?
Also him. Oh, 76,
care.
76ers.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see which one comes.
Who the hell is that?
Okay,
That's
that's it.
it.
That's it.